Everybody, this is Dimitri from the Orleans Shotokan Academy. This will be a tutorial on Taikyoku Shodan. Taikyoku Shodan has the straight punch, the tsuki, the gedan barai, or the otherwise known as the downward block. The only stance that you will utilize is front stance, zenkutsu dachi. For your zenkutsu dachi, make sure that your feet are shoulder width apart and about 3.5 feet long. You will also be able to utilize your hips in this kata, and you will need to understand the difference between hanmi position, which is the side position, and shomen. When you do your gedan barai, or your downward block, make sure that your hips are always in hanmi position, or the side position of the zenkutsu dachi. When you step in oizuki, make sure that your stance is in shomen. Let's begin. Start by putting your heels together, feet to the side, hands on your side, bow from the hips. Hey. Say the name of the kata, Taikyoku Shodan. Yoi. Look to your left, prepare the left fist on the right shoulder, and also pivot on the right heel to turn your body toward the left side. Step forward, left, gedan barai, in hanmi position. Pull the elbow, the right elbow, all the way back to get the best hikite you can. Step in, oizuki, shudan, stomach level, shomen position. Now, take the right fist and bring it to the left shoulder. At the same time, spin on the left heel. Step forward, right, gedan barai. Make sure you finish in hanmi position. Step forward, left, oizuki, shomen position. Bring the left fist to the right shoulder, bring the front foot back, spin on the right heel. Now going forward, left, gedan barai, hanmi position. Step forward, right, oizuki, shomen position. Left, oizuki, shomen position. Right, oizuki, shomen position, and kia. Hai. Now for this turn, you're going to pivot on your right heel, bring the back foot in, bring the left fist to the right shoulder. From here, step left, gedan barai, hanmi position. Forward, right, oizuki, shomen. Bring the right fist to the left shoulder, pull your front foot back, spin on your left heel. Right, gedan barai, hanmi position. Left, oizuki, shomen position. Now, bring the front foot back, bring the left fist to the right shoulder, spin on the right heel. Left, gedan barai, hanmi. Forward, right, oizuki. Left, oizuki. Right, oizuki, and kia. Hai. Bring the back foot in. Prepare the left fist on the right shoulder. Spin on the right heel. Left, gedan barai, hanmi position. Forward, right, oizuki, shomen position. Bring the front foot back. Bring the right fist to the left shoulder. Spin on the left heel. Right, Gedan Barai, Hanmi position. Left, Oizuki, Shomen position. Bring the front foot back. Cross your arms in front of you. Yame. Put your heels together, hands on your side. Hey. Let's do the kata together by the count at a medium pace. Heels together. Hey. Taikyoku Shodan. Yoi. Ich. Ni. San. Shi. Go. Ro. Sage. Punch. Hein. Punch. Hip. Sam. Ship. Go. Rook. Siege. Punch. Kiai. Hai. H. Hip. Sam. Ship. Yame. Hey. Ich. Ni. San. Shi. Go. Rook. Sage. Punch. Hein. Punch. Hip. Sam. Ship. Go. Rook. Siege. Punch. Kiai. Hai. H. Hip. Sam. Ship.